This is your Mecklenburg Minute. I'm here at the intersection of Toby Creek and Mallard Creek, where we just unveiled a flood marker.
What Marek designed is basically a sculpture that serves as a flood marker. It's made out of painted steel, it's 12 feet tall, and it resembles the profile of an abstracted human head that's using a snorkel.
The snorkel is how a human can adapt to water. Marek Ranis' diver is a combination of art and science.
And so we called the Arts and Science Council, and they helped us look for an artist, and we were able to pick an artist who was really into the environment and understood the risks and adaptation to changing environment, changing water levels.
About how us as humans and our experience is changing in relationship to our environment and how we need to learn, grow, and adapt to meet the kind of rising challenges.
Charlotte-Mecklenburg Stormwater Services reports flooding is Mecklenburg County's costliest natural hazard.
The green marker is the lowest of the three, and that represents the record flood for this spot. And right now that's at 7 feet. And if you look around, what's 7 feet? Well, that bridge is 7 feet. So the water during the November 2020 storm was over the bridge.
With future funding, they hope this will be the first of many flood markers throughout the county.
Hopefully we'll put them in the neighborhood where people in that neighborhood said, wow, look how high that water can get. You know, I should pay attention next time there's a flooding chance.
To learn more about the flood marker and how it works, you can go to our website at mecknc.gov. With your Mecklenburg Minute, I'm Pamela Escobar.